Hero Realty has brought largest freehold township in Haridwar, popularly known as Haridwar Greens. This 50 acres integrated township offers studio, 1, 2, 3 BHK apartments and penthouses. This society will have 42 towers, from which 33 towers are completed. The pristine views of Shivalik Hills towards northeast make this place more beautiful and close to nature. To talk about facilities, this residential society has all amenities from basic to luxury. Some of the major attractions are swimming pool, premium club, 24 hours water supply, 100% power backup, health club and gym, and many more. Also, BML Munjal Green Meadows School is operational in this society. Its unmatched connectivity with all major hotspots like Harki Pori, Sidkul makes it every home seeker's prime choice. In this ready-to-move township, more than 280 families are happily living here. So explore and move into your own celestial abode today.